Look at the old man.
Yo, Pop, you're going into the rain.
Yes, it's raining. Here, look a little closer.
What is it called?
I have to think of something. What about Stormy Day? Okay. And it is Tuesday, April 26th, 2016. You see, that's Brian. You know him from Car Ride. You know Brian from Car Ride. And also, Happy New Day. Here's this new lizard. Let's just call her Lizard Lady. Yeah, Lizard Lady. Lizard Lady.
Did anybody subscribe?
I do not know. I didn't check yet. Okay, you butt turd. Look at the creepy dolls. And now look at ugly Lizard Lady. Well, yeah, that's Brian watching my I don't like him jelly. I'm jelly. I eat buttholes. Bye. So remember, go in, hit that, subscribe, and hit a like. What about his maybe some other, just easier for now, 5 videos, and then the likes on this video, and then I'll do another one. Bye. So stay awesome. Next up, part 2. Creepy dolls.